How to make a World Cup sticker. Hey guys, how are you? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, guys, I show you step by step to make your cup sticker. Process, guys, very fast and very easy. First step, folks, is for you to take the photo of your favorite player to make. So you're going to choose the sticker, guys, to make. I've already chosen Vinny Jr. here. I've already saved it on my computer. And second, you need to have your photo. So the photo of the player on the sticker and the second photo is yours. Okay, once you do that, guys, you're going to get into Google Flow. Google Flow, it will enter here in the first link. I'm going to click here on New Project. And down here, you're going to click, guys, click. You'll choose here 3.4 in the shape of the sticker, and you will use the nano banana here. So that's right, guys. We're now going to click on that plus sign to attach the stickers here. So plus button. You will click here on send media. So here, guys, is my photo and Vinny Jr.'s. So I'm going to select both of them. Click here on open. Click agree. So here are the two photos. Now you will click here on the plus sign, guys, and you will include the photo in command, first of Vinny Jr. So it's here in command down here, and then here, my photo including command. So the two photos, so in charge. Now, the most important thing, guys, that I want to create. So remember, the first photo of Vinny Jr. and the second is my photo, right? So here in the prompt, you're going to type in replace the face of photo 01, putting the face of photo 02. How are you guys? It's very quiet. What am I going to do now? I'm also going to change the name. I don't want Vinicius Jr. I'm going to put Leonardo Paiva, Leo Paiva here. So also change the name that is in the first photo, taking out Vinicius Jr. and putting Leo Paiva. Right, could too, folks. It's change here the date of birth, weight, height, but I'm not going to change that, guys. I'll leave it as it is. But in case you want to modify, guys, you can type it here in the prompt, no problem, okay? Now I'm going to confirm the command here, clicking here on that arrow. So guys, you've already created the two photos I asked for here. If you want a photo, you can modify it here, guys, in Nano Banana, putting one, okay? I ordered two, so I can choose here the best one. I like this one, guys. So just click on it, and you will click here on this arrow to download it to your computer. Click here in original size, okay? Put my name here, Leo Paiva, sticker. And that's it, guys. I've already saved my World Cup sticker here. You can do it with any sticker, the special ones, whatever you want to do. Guys, did you do it? Put it below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll stop here, guys. Big hug. Stay with God. Thanks.